How to create profitable Amazon KDP book interiors. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can create some book interiors or journal interiors that can garner you a large amount of profits for Amazon KDP. So let's get into it. First off, you're actually going to go on Amazon and take a look at the different journals that are available, and you can see this journal. So this journal, you can see, you can take a look inside and the interior. So first off, you have the starting page, and it just has a space where whoever buys the journal can put their name on. And after that, they have pages like this. So they have a slight little animation on each page that differs, and then that's it. So you want to replicate a design like this. Why? Because everyone has seen the basic lined interiors. Those are boring at this point. So people want something that's a bit different. Now, once you get that, you're actually gonna go on interior generator. So you can either just go on Canva and you can create your own lined pages. That's totally up to you. But I think doing this is going to save you a lot of time. So depending on the number of pages that you're going to design, you're going to add that. So I'm going to add 5 pages and I'm going to make a 6x9 book. So I'm going to make it no bleed because these are interior pages, and I'm going to download that. Now I've downloaded my bleed-free pages. Now these are just blank pages. I'm gonna go with this page, and this website provides you with a lot of different templates that you can choose from, so it's totally up to you. It's called designer.bookball.io, and now I'm gonna go into 6x9 and I'm gonna download this PDF. And you can see these are just lined pages. I won't have to, individually place each line on Canva again. I'm just gonna download this PDF and then I'm gonna open it up on Canva. So we're just gonna download this, and now I'm gonna go on Canva and I'm gonna enter my size. So this is the Canva homepage, and on the right over here you can see custom size. I'm gonna change it from pixels to inches, and I'm gonna add 6x9 inches. Now I'm going to create the first page before I start customizing the interior. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go into elements, and I'm going to change the background color to black. And a good tip is if you create your entire book in black and white, you're gonna have to pay less in royalties to Amazon. And if you have a colored book, you're gonna have to give more royalties to Amazon. So a good tip is that you keep your book black and white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for flowers on Canva in elements, and I'm just going to add these flowers. I'm going to change the color. They're black, so I'm going to make them white like so. I'm going to place them right over here, and I'm going to rotate them and place them on the top as well, like this. And now I'm gonna just add some text that says this book belongs to, and I'm gonna change the font, and I'm gonna increase the size. Now I'm gonna go back into elements, and I'm gonna click on this lines and shapes, and I'm gonna add any kind of line that I like. So I'm gonna add this line that has a bit of a design on it, and I'm gonna place this right below like this. So this is just your first page, and I'm going to download this as a PDF. Once you have created your first page, you're going to open your interior that you downloaded on Canva. So we're going to go on custom size, 6x9. Now to open my interior, I'm going to go back on the Canva homepage, and you can see over here it says create a design. I'm going to click on that, and you can see at the bottom they have import PDF. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to upload my journal interior, and you can see it's going to be uploaded in your designs over here, and I'm just going to open it like this, and you can see our interior is here and ready to edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into elements, and I'm going to add some circles. So you see this circle in lines and shapes. I'm just going to add that to the edge, and I'm gonna make it white like this. Now I'm just gonna zoom in to show you guys like so it cuts off some of the lines. And now I am going to just search for anime girl on Canva Elements. I'm gonna go in graphics and I'm gonna search for something that's cute. Now I'm going with the anime girl theme. You can add whatever you want. You can add flowers, you can add maybe food, whatever you prefer. That's totally up to you. Now I'm gonna change all the colors to whites and grays like this. And on the page below it, I'm just gonna copy the circle and move it on the page below like so. And I'm gonna add another anime girl like so, and I'm gonna change her colors to grays as well. Just make sure it's gray or black, otherwise you might end up, you know, getting cut in royalties, and that's just pretty sad. Like so. And now I'm gonna add the circle once more like this, and I'm gonna add another anime girl, and I'm just gonna design 5 pages, and I'm just gonna replicate the interior over and over again. Now changing the colors like this, just gonna keep on going, and you just have to design your initial 5 pages. After that you have nothing to design. You're just gonna be done once this is complete. Now I've added little stickers on all of my pages. You can see over here I've completed that, and I'm gonna download this as a PDF as well. So I'm gonna download it as a PDF print, and just as it downloads, I'm gonna go on merge PDF. So this site is called smallpdf.com, and I'm gonna choose files to upload. Now first I'm gonna upload the first page, which was my This Book Belongs To page, and then I'm gonna keep on adding the journal interior. So I'm gonna rename it so I don't get confused. I'm gonna open the folder and I'm gonna rename it to my interior. Now I'm gonna add more files. So you can just open this like so, like this, and you can just keep on dropping the interior file to make your recommended amount of pages. So if you're making 30 pages or 40 pages, you can just keep on dropping those like this. So right now I have 20 pages, and let's just make it 30 pages. And just like that, we're gonna merge this PDF. I'm gonna click on download, and you can see now we have our PDF ready and all our pages have been printed. You don't have to individually copy each page. Just like so, you have a entry or the name page, and then you have your pages over and over. It's just 5 pages, and obviously the design then just keeps on going over and over again in a loop. So this is how you create some very profitable interiors for selling on Amazon KDP. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.